Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio, and today I'm gonna do a little watercolor. I have never used watercolor ground before, but I wanted to watercolor on top of some sheet music. Now this is just some digital music that I downloaded of Christmas music, and this is actually white watercolor ground, so it's more opaque than I was kind of hoping for, so I'm adding a little bit of water to make it a little bit more translucent, but you can still see the words, which is all that matters. You can tell it's sheet music. And I just printed this on regular copy paper, so I'm hoping it's gonna work out. So I get this covered and then let it dry. So I'll show you. Alright, should be good and covered now. Whoops. Yeah. Like I said, really thin, regular paper. So see how it's kind of wrinkly? I decided I was going to iron it. Because I've had my iron out recently for crafting. So I thought I'd just take an iron to it and make it flat. Which actually kind of worked. I did not iron it after I watercolored, however. I just ironed it at that point. So that made that nice and flat and ready to go. Okay. So this is a really simple watercolor. I'm using my Daniel Smith watercolors. These are the basics. You can get this at Michael's. I got it with there was a sale going on, so I felt pretty lucky to get it at like 70%, which was awesome. I'm just putting in some simple trees. And I'm not the best at foliage, but I figured I could do a pine tree, right? Some more shades of green. Now I'm just going to create a little bit of a shadow so you can tell where the ground and the sky are separate. So my tree and everything's all dry now. I'm pulling out some gouache. I decided this tree needed a little bit of snow. So I'm just taking that with a palette knife and just adding some snow on there. And I decided that would look good on the ground too. So we're going to add just a little bit of the gouache onto the ground. And I was thinking maybe I could create some snowflakes or splatters I need a real splatter brush. Something that'll help me make splatters because I'm no good at it. And that stuff was not like coming off the brush at all. There we go. A few splatters. As good as it's gonna get. Anyways, this is part of a series. There'll be 3 paintings and then another video that will show how I turned them into Christmas cards. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.